Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can make your documents available offline in the Google Docs mobile application so that you may access it, for example, on your Android without being connected to the internet. So let us get started, guys. So launch Google Docs and access the document you would like to go with. Let me use that example document here, guys. And you don't need to access the editing mode here in the bottom right corner through that pencil icon. All you need to do, guys, is, for example, that's option number 1, to tap into these 3 dots in the top right corner, and to swipe down from that following menu, guys, switch to available offline here, toggle it on, and that is going to make the file available offline. Option number 2 would be to return to the previous menu here to your overview of documents, and to simply again tap into these 3 dots next to the given document name, and to choose the option make available offline for the given document, and that is going to give you the opportunity to access the given document here in the Google Docs application even when you're offline with your phone, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.